Adapter for converting a USB 3.1 Type-C port to a RJ45 Gigabit Ethernet port. Integrated Ethernet port supports 10M, 100M, 1000M bandwidth. Offers instant internet connection to the host. USB-C input allows for reversible plugging. Offers complete compatibility with current computers and devices. Compatible with Nintendo Switch. Ready to use. Right out of the box. No external power adapter needed. Slim, compact size and lightweight aluminum housing for easy portability. Top reviews from the United States. Nothing but good luck with Amazon Basics ASIX and Realtek USB-C to Ethernet adapters. I prefer components with good physical construction as long as the performance is great. Considering Amazon Basics USB Type-C to Ethernet adapters only cost what an inexpensive title on Blu-ray disc costs, I thought I'd give all of them a try. I am glad I did. In order to determine why some of us have good luck and why some of us have bad luck, we should share whether we're using the ASIX or Realtek model, our operating system, our settings, how we're booting, etc. I tried the ASIX and Realtek models on a Windows 10 and a Windows 11 laptop. In my BIOS, I have USB charging, USB boot, and network boot enabled. I connected the Ethernet cable to the adapter, made sure my laptop was turned off, connected the adapter to the USB-C port on the laptop, and booted up the laptop. A reviewer reported slower local area network and UCLA speed test performance with this aluminum ASIX model. The local area network and UCLA speed test performances are the same with this aluminum ASIX model and the plastic Realtek model. The performance is so good that you'd think my laptops had an Ethernet port built in and I connected my modem directly to it. Update. Those dropouts I mentioned were optical disk and optical drive related, not USB or Ethernet, Internet, network related. So if you want to disable USB booting, USB charging, and network booting in your BIOS, that's fine. For best results, it's best to wait until your system is completely booted up before connecting anything to your USB ports.